In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to use the PosterMyWall website to design your posters, to design your flyers, to design all kind of social media resources like the Facebook poster. You can design Facebook banners, you can design Facebook profile picture from here, and even your YouTube thumbnails and many more. Event posters, event flyers, you can do all sorts of things from here. So beautiful designs, effortless promotion, and get the word out of amazing social media graphics, videos, posters, and flyers. You can create a design and you can check out the template. So right now we can check, these are marketing designs, these are pro designs. You can see them because we are approaching the festive period. You can see quite a lot of them regarding parties and Christmas events, New Year, and so much more. Okay, you can check around to see some of the templates, but let's say we can try something educational and then see what we can do at this point. But then it's quite important to remind you that before you start using Canva, it's quite important to before you start using PosterMyWall, you can always log in to have your account. So clicking on login will bring you into the account. So you have a bunch of options to log into to sign up. You can sign up you can log in using your Facebook. You can log in using your Google account if you have one. If you don't have, you can always sign up. You can log in with your email, but if you don't want, you can create an account. Okay, you can sign up. You can come down here and sign up to log in and start using PosterMyWall. All right, so you have a bunch of ways in which you can sign in to your Facebook, to your PosterMyWall account, or you can come over here and click on sign up to log into PosterMyWall. So give me a minute when let me sign in, and then we can meet at the other end. All right, so this is the educational posters that we've just selected. And once you're here, the first thing you can see is you can create your own custom design. Okay, start from scratch, or you can start from template. Okay, I usually start from templates. I choose the one that's good for me, and then I edit accordingly. So over here you have the three different options to choose from. Do you want to see images or videos or any of them? Okay, you can see combined. So for now we want to see images. All right, so you can come over all the way down and you can check around and to see which one is better for you. So I think you can check according to the content. You can see, for example, I think this one kind of looks cool, but you can check around and see from the templates which one actually kind of looks cool for you and is going to fit in based on your demand. So let's say we go with this. I kind of like it, and we can click on it and just say customize the design. Okay, so once you get to the editing mode, so this is it. You're free to understand that this is made up of different elements. You can see them. You can see different kind of elements. You can check around, you can customize each and every component of this design to your liking. For example, you can select this and you can change the image, the picture color to something like this, and you can make it kind of look attractive. I think I like it this way. You can change the content. You can change this, and you say public speaking, and you can highlight, select all, and you can play around with the sizing over here. You can come over here and decrease the sizing accordingly. And you can change the alignment to align left or to align center. I think it kind of looks cool like this. And you can change and move it up. And you can select this also and say masterclass. All right, public speaking masterclass. You can reduce the sizing to fit the content, and you can see you can change the details over here by just clicking and writing. And you can change the date of the event, Monday to Friday. You can make it Monday to Monday. Maybe you can have the timing every day. You can your course topic here, so you can just put the topic. For example, you can say science of gestures, important. And you can put your website over here, pick mentorship, and you can select and decrease the sizing as well. Okay, so you can fit in the content exactly. And you can resize and move it around. You can change this, or you can check it, or you can come over here to change the contact information, and you can change the features also from here. You can change the photo by just logging it, selecting it, and bringing another photo. So for example, you can come to photo and you can check photos from here. You can add photos from my photos, you can add photo from stock photos, or add slideshow directly. This is a new feature. Okay, you can add from Facebook, you can add from Google Drive or Dropbox. So you see from my photo, for example, and let's check her out and see if we have any photo. Unfortunately, we've not uploaded any photos. You can upload or you can add stock photo. So let's say we upload a photo, and we can check out and upload this my photo, and you can bring it in. You can see it has just uploaded. You can upload many more if you want. Okay, so you can see it has just been uploaded. So for example, you can select this photo and say replace, and you can set replace with my photos. You can replace with this, and you can click, and you can see it has just been replaced. So you got it, and you can resize accordingly if you want. Okay, you can close this, or you can remove background if you want. You can remove the background, but it's a premium plan. Okay, so if you want to remove background, you have to go premium. But I think this one is having a white background, and I think it kind of looks good. It can work perfectly for us. So let's click on this and delete it, and we can position this so that it fits in the content. So you can select this, and you can double click on it to kind of minimize the size. Okay, so you can select this, and you can kind of play around with it. Let's say we put in a frame. We can come to elements, and we can add a shape. We can add a clip art, or you can have a sticker. You can add a QR code. But let's say we add a shape. We can choose from these various shapes, and let's say we bring in this one. I think this one kind of looks cool, and it's going to do our job for us. So you can come over here, and you can use it to mask this image so that you can fit in completely, and it's going to be kind of cool. And I think it's cool right now. So we can put in the details of the speaker, for example, and to do that, you can come to text. You can add plain text, you can add fancy text, you can add slideshow, and check out the menu. Okay, so you can check out fancy text. You can see quite a lot of them. Okay, so depending on your liking, you can check around, and you can check. Let's say we'll go with this outline, and we can add this text, this fancy text, and you can bring it up over here. You can resize it to kind of fit, and you can double click to edit, or you can come over here to write the text. Let's say we'll put Dr. Rashid. You can have it over here, and you can duplicate this if you want, so that you can put the other feature, or you can put in a different Dr. Rashid. So we'll put in another text, plain text, so we can make it so we can bring it over here and double click on it and say speaker. All right, so speaker, and I think the poster is kind of looking somehow complete. You can move it, and you can see here you can put the logo of the event organizers. For example, if it is Epic Mentorship, you can easily put in Epic Mentorship logo, and any logo of your choice. You can zoom in over here to see the clarity and the key features of this content. You can change this color to something that can fit in like this. So for example, you can change it to somewhere around this, and we can change this color of the text to white. All right, we can change it to white so that it becomes so pronounced. Even this one, you can change it from black to white so that it becomes kind of cool. Okay, I think this kind of looks fantastic. So once you're done, you can add media to this. You can bring in all form of media. You can add from my videos if you have any. You can add from stock videos. You can add from slideshow, and you can add from my audio. Okay, you can add from stock audio also. You can check the layout. You can add shadow, add menu, table, and many more features. So feel free to try it and explore it for yourself. Okay, down here you have a bunch of background, solid color. You can check solid color background, and you can easily add to your content. Right now it's loading. Here you can see different background. Once you select any background and hit apply, it's going to apply this to your content. You can add also gradient background. You can check to see gradient background. What kind of gradient? Is it linear? Is it radial? You can see it, and you can easily add this background to your content very easily. So you can check, or maybe from any element, from any shape, you can add the background. You can change the coloration and put in different kind of background from there. Okay, so once you're done, you can undo over here and redo over here, and you can resize the entire poster. Okay, you can save over here, and you can collaborate with people to work together on the same document or on the same poster design. You can easily invite people to work with you, and you can save file over here. You can create a new design. and you can check to duplicate this design. You can open an existing design. You can save as, you can download this directly, you can publish online and share the link with people. You can collaborate and submit as template for others to kind of edit and work with. So let's say at this point, what I usually do is you can publish. If you want, you can publish this, or you can download. After I finished everything, change the animation, design properties over here, and I'm done. I'm satisfied with all the content. I'll just come over here and click on download to download this very template, this very poster. So you just click on download, or you can click on publish. Okay, so once you click on publish, it's going to bring you over here. You can share on social media, you can share on email campaign, you can share on digital signage, publish as a web and share the link, or you can embed in web page or link to a social media account, be it Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter, or anywhere. Okay, you can share it directly, and you can download this for free. Okay, you can download also by coming to download over here, and you can download it in JPEG, even though it has a watermark. The free version has a watermark, but you can, so once you select, either you want to go for the premium version, which is 2.99 USD, but I think the free version also is kind of cool, even though it has the watermarks. You just select it and you click on download to download this. All right, so once you download, you can see it over here, or you can move to, okay, you can see it over here downloading. Okay, you can see it has just downloaded, so click on it to see a sample preview. Okay, you can see it downloaded successfully. All right, you can see this resolution and all. I think this kind of looks cool, and you can easily use it and share it with your friends to invite them for this very event. Okay, so this is a bit about how to use the PosterMyWall to design your posters, to design your flyers. Feel free to try it. Feel free to subscribe if you have to, but then you can use the free version. I think is quite enough for most of your designs that you can do. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.